the largest planet in our solar system, the magnificent Jupiter. Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting episode of Wonders of the Universe. Today we embark on an interplanetary journey to this gas giant. Before everything, please do subscribe your YouTube channel. Your support means the world to us. Let's dive into the Jupiter. The magnetic field of Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is surprisingly large. With a radius of 69,911 kilometers, Jupiter is 11 times wider than Earth. If Earth were the size of a nickel, Jupiter would be about as big as a basketball. From an average distance of 778 million kilometers, Jupiter is 5.2 astronomical units away from the Sun. One more thing can amaze you. This thing can show you that how big and energetic the Jupiter is. Jupiter is best known for its colorful storms, but also has some of the most vivid auroras. Not only are the auroras bigger than Earth, they are also hundreds of times more energetic than auroras on our home world. And unlike those on Earth, they never cease. On Earth, the most intense auroras are caused by solar storms, but Jupiter generates its own. The strong magnetic field of the gas giant grabs charged particles from its surroundings, including particles thrown into space by its orbiting moon Io, known for its numerous and large volcanoes. As a gas giant, Jupiter doesn't have a true surface. The planet is mostly swirling gases and liquids. While a spacecraft would have nowhere to land on Jupiter, it wouldn't be able to fly through unscathed either. The extreme pressures and temperatures deep inside the planet crush, melt, and vaporize spacecraft trying to fly into the planet. With 4 large moons and many smaller moons, Jupiter forms a kind of miniature solar system. Jupiter has 80 moons. 57 moons have been given official names by the International Astronomical Union (IAU). Another 23 moons are awaiting names. Jupiter's 4 largest moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. If we talk about the human appearance on Jupiter, mankind has been studying Jupiter for more than 400 years, but we've only been sending spacecraft there since the 1970s. 9 spacecraft have visited Jupiter since 1973, and they've discovered a lot about the planet. 1610, Galileo Galilei makes the first detailed observations of Jupiter. 1973, Pioneer 10 becomes the first spacecraft to cross the asteroid belt and fly past Jupiter. 1979, Voyager 1 and 2 discovered Jupiter's faint rings, several new moons and volcanic activity on Io's surface. 1992, Ulysses swung by Jupiter on February. And that, my fellow space enthusiasts, brings us to the end of our incredible journey exploring the majestic planet Jupiter. It has truly been an awe-inspiring experience. Thank you all for joining us on this incredible voyage to the mighty planet Jupiter. Until next time, keep exploring, keep reaching for the stars, and remember the universe is waiting to be discovered. Thanks.